Hello, and thank you for joining me as we continue our discussion on the body and planes and positions. Today, specifically, we're going to talk about regions of the body and what can be found in those regions. So, at the end of this video, you will be able to identify regions of the body using the correct scientific term and find body parts found in these different regions. So, we're going to start at the top and work our way down. So, if we start in your head and neck area, we have the first region of the body is the cranial region. This is your head as a whole. Within that, you have your orbital region. Orbit refers to your eye, so this area here is considered the orbital region of the body. The facial region is between your eye and your mouth. So between the eye and your upper lip is your facial region here on either side. Then we have your mandibular region, which is your jaw there. Cervical refers to your neck right there. And then we have supraclavicular. So supra referring to above, clavicular referring to the collarbones. This is the area above the collarbone, which is right down in here. So there's the regions of your head and neck. Moving down, we have your upper limb. This is your arm. So to start, we have the deltoid region, which refers to the curve of your shoulder. So this region here is your deltoid. Going down from there, we have your axillary, which is the inside. So say the outside curve is the inside. This is your armpit here. Going down from your deltoid and axillary is your brachial region. This is your arm. Your arm is referred to as the brachium. So this is your brachial region. Cubital refers to the point of your elbow. So this back point here of your elbow. So if you bend your arm, that sharp point where you elbow somebody, that's your cubital region, or your elbow there. Antecubital. Ante means before. Cubital refers to the elbow. So the area before or in front of the elbow is the front of the elbow. There. Before the point is the front. Antebrachial. So again, 17. Your upper arm is brachial. Antebrachial is before that or in front of that, and that is your forearm down here. And then we have your carpal region, which is your wrist. Those are the regions of your upper limb. Your thorax and back. So we went from your appendage, so now we're in the your chest and back area. So you have your pectoral region. So you have pectoral muscles here. This is your chest area right there. Scapular refers to the scapula, which is your shoulder blade. So this region in here is your scapular region. Thoracic refers to the middle spine area. So this portion here where your ribs attach to is your thoracic region. Lumbar is your spine below your ribs. So between your ribs and your tailbone is your lumbar region, or before your sacrum. Then you have your sacroiliac, which is your lower back and tailbone region right down here. Those are the regions of your thorax and back right there. So take a quick second. I would like you to be able to answer. So what is the area of the face that includes the eye? What do we call that? Where is the supraclavicular region found? Which region is the armpit found in? Where would you find your cubital region? And what region would the middle of your spine, which region would the middle of your spine be located in? Be sure you can answer those questions and we'll continue on. So going down from your thoracic region, we have your abdominal pelvic. So this region refers to the abdominal region. This region refers to the pelvic region. So your abdominal area, your abdominal cavity, your region contains your abdomen. These are your abs, your stomach in the middle. Moving down from that, we have your pelvic region, which includes your pelvis. And then within that, we have what's called your inguinal, or your groin area down here, along either side. And then your pudendal is your genital area for both males and females. It's called the pudendal region. Moving farther down, we get to your lower limbs. This is your legs. We have your gluteal region. This is your butt area, your buttocks. Is your your gluteal area, which contains your gluteus muscles. Your gluteus maximus, gluteus medius are all there in the gluteal region. Your femoral area, femoral region, is your thigh. So from your hips to your knees is your femoral area. Your patellar region is the front of the knee. So in this picture, your patellar region is here. The popliteal region is the back of the knee. So this is the posterior view. So there's the back, there's your popliteal region right there. Malleolar refers to the ankle here, specifically the outside of the ankle. And then the last one is your tarsal region, which is your feet. And we'll talk about those when we get to the bones. There's the regions of your lower body. Make sure you can answer these questions. So which region of the body is your groin found in? Where is the patellar region found? What is the region around the foot called? The curve of your shoulder is known as which region? Where would you find your cervical region? And what is found in your scapular region? Make sure you can answer those. We will review these. We'll discuss these more when we return to class. And I will see you next time.